Also tonight, new information about the deadly trap that claimed the life of a San Jose police officer. That plus the day's top stories in your 2-minute mix. Tonight, the somber procession for Officer Michael Johnson. Dozens of cop cars, people waving flags along the street.
We're devastated.
Police say Scott Dunham ambushed Officer Johnson last night at this apartment on Center Road.
I think it was 3 or 4 shots. Yeah, bam, bam, bam.
Arriving officers as backup brought out their assault rifles and fired upon the suspect.
This makeshift memorial for Officer Johnson is growing at the San Jose Police Department. Sheriff's deputy shooting in East San Jose. Swigart Road near Old Piedmont turned into a crime scene around noon after the deputy opened fire at a car speeding toward him. The suspect is still on the run, locked out of the cockpit. Tonight, the New York Times reports one of the Germanwings Airbus pilots left and couldn't get back in before the plane crashed in the French Alps yesterday.
We hope to have first rough ideas in a matter of days.
3 of the 150 victims are Americans, including Emily Selke of Virginia.
A former University of Oklahoma student broke his silence about his leading role in a racist video.
It was a tragic failure with far-reaching consequences.
Levi Pettit led this chant on a fraternity bus. The university is investigating other SAE members. This former prisoner of war could be in prison for life.
Formally charged Sergeant Bergdahl with desertion and misbehavior before the enemy.
U.S. Army Sergeant Bo Bergdahl abandoned his post in Afghanistan in 2009.
He was supposed to be on a guard shift that night
And ended up in the hands of the Taliban for 5 years.
There are potential punishments